Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information your brain has to handle, causing you to forget important details, losing mental focus and the mental clarity, experiencing brain fatigue, and overall making you feel completely shattered? If you have felt so, you are not alone. And as a human being, we all share similar experiences. And what if I tell you that our brain is not designed to store everything? But the real power of our brain relies in creativity, generating new ideas, problem solving, and not just remembering every tiny details. And the good news is there is a way we can build our second brain, a powerful system that will help organize our thoughts, boost our creativity, and help improve our problem solving abilities. And this is exactly what I'm going to share with you in today's video. Hi, my name is Amrit and welcome to my YouTube channel. So what is second brain? Second brain is not actual brain that grows inside our head, and it is not having a transplant to add another brain, and it is also not something that we plug in into our head from outside. So what is it? Instead, a second brain is a system that is built outside our human biological brain where we can keep our thoughts and ideas. The second brain concept came from productivity expert Tiago Forte. This as external system where you organize your thoughts and knowledge. It is a system for storing, organizing, and retrieving knowledge outside your biological brain using a digital tools like note-keeping app. We can think of second brain as an external storage system and our human biological brain as a processor. Our brain is incredible, but it has limitations on how much information it can hold. In 2001, a researcher named Nelson Cowan studied how much information our brain can handle at a given time. And he found out that our brain can only hold about 3 to 5 things in our working memory at once. According to another scientist named Dr. John Sawyer and his cognitive load theory, when we try to remember too much, we get tired, make mistakes, and think less clearly. So the next question is, how do we build our second brain? And I'm going to share with you 4-step method that is designed by Tiago Forte, which is summarized in the acronym called CODE, which he has published in his book, Building a Second Brain. First step in building a second brain using the CODE method, where C stands for capturing. Any thoughts or ideas that crosses your mind and you find it interesting, that motivates you, or you find inspiring, then it is important to capture those thoughts and ideas before it disappears from your mind. Once you have captured those ideas and thought, then it is a time to organize, which is the second step in building a second brain. So the question is, how do we organize our thoughts and ideas? We can use a PARA method designed by Tiago Forte, which is a simple system for organizing information. PARA stands for projects, areas, resources, and archives. Projects are the active things that you are currently working on. A project has a clear goal and a deadline. Areas, these are the ongoing responsibilities or roles you have in your life. They do not have a specific deadline. Resources, these are the materials, tools, or information you need to support your projects and areas. Archives, this is where you store everything you have done with. Once a project is complete or no longer needed, it gets moved to the archive. Coming back to the third step of CODE, where D stands for distill. Distilling basically means removing unnecessary things. And the last step of CODE, where E stands for express, where you put those captured ideas into action to produce meaningful output. Remember, just do not hold knowledge, but put those knowledge into practice. The CODE method is simple but a powerful way to build a second brain. It helps us to keep track of everything that is important. Hope you have enjoyed this video and gained something valuable that you can apply into your life. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have found this video helpful. Signing off for now, take care and see you in the next video.